In this video, you will get to know how I define Redbubble tags and their use. So let's get into it. The first question that comes in mind is, what are tags? Tags are the words which describes any product. It tells about its qualities and how it looks, etc. Tags are used from the search engine optimization point of view. They are used to rank the products on the Redbubble platform and also on Google search engine. Tags are also used to fulfill the buyer search intent. So, whatever the buyer searches on the Redbubble platform, if that search is relevant to your product, then it will be shown to the buyer. Now we will see what words can you use as the tags. The first thing is the location. Whatever your design is, you can tag it if it contains any location. For example, if it is related to California, you can put the tag California. Or if it is related to Texas, you can put the tag Texas. The next option to use as a tag are the places. For example, if your design is related to the Grand Canyon, then you can use the word Grand Canyon in it. If it is related to the Eiffel Tower, then you can use Eiffel Tower as a tag. The next tag that you can use is the artwork subject. For example, if your design is related to baseball, you can use the word baseball. And if it is related to coffee, then you can use the word coffee. The other words that you can use are the design colors. For example, if your design contains color red, then you can write red as a tag. And if it contains green or blue, then you can write green or blue as a tag. The next thing that you can use as a tag is the artwork technique. For example, if your design is a typographical design, then you can use typography as a tag. And if your design is related to painting, then you can use painting as a tag. You can also use multiple words to describe your design. For example, if your design has a cat which is brown in color, so you can use brown cat as a tag. And if your design contains hot chocolate, then you can use hot chocolate as a tag. What words you have to avoid as a tag? First thing is, you do not have to write the type of product as a tag. For example, if it is a sticker, then you do not have to write sticker as a tag. And if it is an apron, then you do not have to write apron as a tag. The next thing are the spam words. You do not have to write any word which is not related to your product. Redbubble will consider this as a spam tag. The other thing to avoid is the use of full sentences. Your tags should be concise and should be a maximum of 3 words. The next thing to avoid is the repetition of words. You do not have to use the same word again and again. For example, if your design is related to cat, so you have to use the word cat as a tag one time. You should not use cat repeatedly with each tag. For example, you can define your cat as a brown cat, but you should not write cat with every tag of your design. So, how many tags you can use in your design? The recommended limit from Redbubble is 10 to 15 tags per product. And you can use a maximum of 50 tags for your design. In my opinion, you should use an optimum limit of 25 tags per product. This will improve your visibility and product discoverability.